Kingsman couldn't put Humpty together again.
Hey Scissor, why are you singing this?
It's because today one of my very dear subscriber has suggested me this video and it just reminded me of my childhood, so that's why I was singing this.
Oh, so what is today's video idea?
It is DIY Mini Humpty Dumpty.
What? Dumpty Dumpty?
No, not Dumpty Dumpty. It's Humpty Dumpty. I think you've forgotten what you've learned in your childhood, right?
Ha 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 ha, no, I was just kidding.
Okay, no problem. So shall we start now?
Of course, let's start this video.
Okay, so without any further ado, let's get on into the video.
Let's
go!
So for this you will need cardboard, aluminium foil, paper clay, glue, paints. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this aluminium foil over here and now I'll just crush it. So you have to give it an egg sort of a shape and then you have to keep on fold and rolling the aluminium foil until you get the desired shape you want. So this is how it looks right now, as you can see. Now after this, I'll just take a rounder and I'll poke some holes for hands and legs. After that, I'll start taking the craft wire and rolling it into a white paper. So this will also make the wire a little thicker and also it will give you the perfect finishing. So once that is done, as you can see, I have made 4 of them and 2 are little smaller for the hands and then for the legs little longer. Then I'll use my plier and I'll give the perfect shape folds. So once, as you can see, these hands and legs are ready, now I'll just glue them to the body. So these will be the hands. And then the legs. So this is how it looks right now. Now I'll just start applying my favorite thing, which is paper clay, and I'll just apply it throughout the body. So once the body is done, now I'll just take my sculpting tool and I'll start doing some detailings and I'll just smoothen out the edges. So after that, I'll take another sculpting tools and I'll just make the facial expressions. And now for the nose, I'll apply some more paper clay. And then this will be the mouth. After that, for the chubby cheeks, I'll apply some more paper clay and then I'll just smoothen out the edges with the sculpting tools. So this will look a lot chubby. So once the facial expression is now completed, now I'll start with the dress for this Humpty Dumpty, and it's Humpty Dumpty is wearing the suit, so I'll just make some detailings with paper clay. And then I'll just use some detailings with the sculpting tools. So after making the frills for the top half, I'll just make some tie and all, bow tie, and then this will be completed. Now I'll just start that with the feet. So the feet will be wearing a boots. So I'll make the boots over here with paper clay as well. And then same on the other feet. So once you are all good with the feet, the boots completed part, now you will start applying some paper clay on the top of the hands. So this will create you the hand illusion. And this is how it looks. Now we'll just keep it for 24 hours so that it gets dried completely. And after that it looks something like this, completely dried. Now I'll take this sandpaper and I'll scrub off the excess paper clay so that the base gets smooth. So make sure you don't ruin the facial expressions. Don't scrub off too hard, but little bit so that the base gets smooth. And now I'll start painting it. So first of all, I'm painting with the skin color acrylic paint for the base and also for the hands. Then I'll start painting the collar, which is the frilly collar, with white acrylic paint. Then I'll paint the body suit, which is in blue color. So I'll paint half of his pants and also the sleeves. So this whole part will be blue color. And then the bow tie will be red. After that the boots will be black, and then the turn is of facial expressions. So this is how the completed Humpty Dumpty looks. After that I'll start making the hat for him, a tiny hat. So I've taken this cardboard and I'll just fold it into a ring shape.
So after doing that, I'll attach these two together. This is how I get it now. And now I've taken two other cardboard circles as well. So first the tiny circle, I'll attach it over here, this way. And then I've taken the other circle and I've cut the middle part off, and then I'll just fold it like this and then stick it this way. And then I'll apply these two parts together now. So once this is done, as you can see, the hat is now ready. Now I'll start painting it with black acrylic paint. And the reason why I use acrylic paint, so to make the things shinier, so that's the way. And now I'll just take this white cut paper strip and I'll fold it over here accordingly, and then I'll stick this hat on top of the Humpty Dumpty head, this way. After that I'll start making the wall for the Humpty Dumpty, the base, actual base. So this is how I have to take the cardboards. These two are the very thick cardboard, and then the other ones, the smaller ones, are a little thinner. And then I'll attach these two together, so like this way I'll just apply this on all the four corners. So once that is done, now I'll just apply this cardboard to cover the back side as well. So this is the wall now. As you can see, I've also marked the bricks over here, and then this is another piece, so that's the thick cardboard again, and I'll just stick these two walls together now, this way. And then I'll start applying paper clay again. So to give the ground effect, I'll apply paper clay. So now as that is done, I'll just apply some paper clay rocks also. And now I'll start painting the wall with dark brown shade, and I'm using acrylic paint again. Then after that I'll use the darker brown shade and I'll mark the bricks over here. And then I'll just shade the wall, and then I'll just repeat this in all the sides of the wall. And then I'll start painting the ground with green color, and also I'll shade it with light yellow and the dark green part as well. Then I'll paint the rocks with brown color, and then I'll just mark some flowers which are red and white. And then I'll just place some artificial succulents. Once that is done, as you can see, the Humpty Dumpty is now sitting on the wall correctly. You can also stick it if you want. So this is the final.
Hey guys, so before ending this video here, I would like to say that if you love me and my work, then please make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to become a part of my Phoenix army. And also, if you want to connect with me, then follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and also make sure to follow me on my Facebook. So this way I can connect with you all on all the social medias and different platforms. And guys, if you all want, you can comment down below anything that you want to see next in my videos, and I'll try to make all of them really soon. Till next time, bye bye.